घंटा देखना है। कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं। Hey friends, hi. Now Veena is here, so he's gonna tell you the inspirational story of you on the Women's Day, because for me she is the inspiration for the youth. तो अब हम इनकी ज़बानी सुनेंगे कि इनकी कहानी डीजे तक कैसे आई है, तो इन्हीं से सुनते हैं. Let's have So let's hear what she's telling about her story. I think that would be a very इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. तो इनसे ही सुनते हैं. आईटी स्पेशलिस्ट है, बहुत कुछ है जो ये बताएंगी. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग भी सुने इसकी इंस्पिरेशन. जो भी डीजे बनना चाहे, जो भी जिनकी पैशन होती है वो फॉलो करें. अब इनसे सुनते हैं कि डीजे इनका पैशन था, ये वहाँ तक कैसे पहुँची, तो वो अपना सारा कुछ आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहेंगी. तो आप वीना को देती हूँ तो वो बताएंगी.
हाय एवरीबडी. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं किसी का इंस्पिरेशन बन सकती हूँ, बट आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू से माई स्टोरी हाउ आई एम डीजे नाउ. सो एक्चुअली आई एम ए सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर एज वेल. आई एम डूइंग डीजेइंग एंड एवरीथिंग. So DJ is like how it came in my mind, because I like music. So I like music. So like music. So I always in my office time and every time I used to listen always music. So one time I went there, some club and all. So I thought, oh, I can be play, right? So चलो किसी से बात करते हैं, हाउ दिस थिंग्स विल बी लाइक. आई रियली लाइक मुझे करना है, लाइक यू नो. So one day I just spoke with my friend, one of my DJ friend. Okay. So he told me he's going to teach me. I said okay, fine, then I'll come. So he used to play in Output. So after that, okay, first time I met with him, then I went there and I started learning. Okay, so he used to teach me always ki do this, do that, everything, how the music knowledge and everything he used to tell me. And I love music, right? So it's kind of relate me, you know, like I love music.
कितना टाइम हो गया मतलब ये करते हुए? How long you have been into doing this DJ?
3 years, yeah.
She's doing IT job also. She's a IT specialist too. So now hear it how she how there are so many challenges which you must have faced in like doing this thing. So what are...
Yeah, obviously challenges are there because you know IT and it's like the timing now.
shows.
Everybody is working from home, right? So it's like 5 to 9 job. Obviously, you have to stay there. I used to go on Saturday, Sunday to play DJing and all. So my thing is that I can't stay one place or sit one place like or thinking something else. I always want I have to do something. IT is good. I like to do that whatever software things, everything. बचपन से सुनते आ रहे, पापा मम्मी बोलते हैं भाई बड़े हो के इंजीनियर बन. हाँ, तो फिर वही चीज़ है कि मैं बोली चलो पापा मम्मी का बात भी सुन लेते हैं. तो वो भी कर लिए. तो जब मेरा टाइम आया कि चलो आई कैन डू समथिंग राइट फ्रॉम माई ओन, so I started कि okay I will do DJing and everything. So I started slowly. So I used to play on Saturday, Sunday. Okay, not I can't like do every day, right? Because IT is a software work and this and everything. So it's kind of challenging is what, you know, like starting, you are new in industry, you know how the industry is, music industry. People in Bangalore, so many DJs are there. It's not like I'm the only one, I'm playing Bollywood and all. So many big DJs are there.
Yeah, and in fact in Bangalore what we see is there is a number of pubs here. So many DJs are, but there are limited lady DJs we have seen it like so far.
Yeah, maybe. But still, yeah, some challenges is there to getting the gig and all everything.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op, 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 op. Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op, 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 op. Oppa Gangnam Style.
Yeah, anyhow, I'm managing till now because I am new now, okay? I am new, till new. I'm just learning now.
No, but I don't think so. Right now we are in Skype. So this is the famous, the pub in Bangalore, right? In UB City. If she can play here, she can play anywhere, internationally too, right?
Yeah, maybe still I'm just thinking I'm still learning.
Yeah, because
more to learn. Yeah, more to learn.
More to learn and more to go for the opportunity.
Obviously, yeah. Correct.
So अभी जैसे बहुत सारे होंगे जिनके अंदर पैशन होगा, but they must be thinking. I think so many youth want to become DJ, but they don't want to come forward. They don't know how they will take the step forward, right? So what are your advices?
See, advice, I can't give any advice, but if people want to do something, right, they should try at least. Like, try करो, अगर हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, फिर से ट्राई करो यार, क्या ही जाता है. अब मैं डीजे का ट्राई कर रही हूँ, मेरा नहीं हो रहा है तो क्या ही होगा, कुछ नहीं, मेरे पास है और एक जॉब, राइट? सो आई कैन अर्न मनी फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. सो इफ anybody want to do side by or professional, only professional also want to do, try it.
So you want to say that if they have their inner passion, they should go for it.
Yeah, obviously they should follow. Yeah.
Right. So here I have been coming to you, but I wanted to cover your story to to tell youth also to come forward. If there are the girls, there are so many conservative things happen in the family also. They don't let them come out.
That is the main thing. Like for the girls mainly, like parents will think. Obviously, my parents will ask why. First question when I told my parents, right? So I just want to do these things. Okay, my parents, you are working, we are still working. No need to do. Why to go? That to night time. You have to go night time. It's like 10 to 1 o'clock. You have to, after 1 o'clock, you have to come to home. It's for family, obviously, they are parents. Obviously, they will think about this, how one girl will go and survive all this.
Right? So obviously.
Maybe you should go and love yourself.
And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Go and love yourself. Go and love yourself. Go and love yourself.
It's like, you know, it's totally your confidence. If you want to do, you can do it. If you really want to do. So my parents, I told 2-3 times, okay, they said this, never said no, but their concern is like girls, they can't go out night time. So after that 2-3 times I started going and everything, then now they are okay. That Bangalore is very safe. What I feel for girls is very safe. So if anybody wants to DJ like girls, you know, like they can come.
And please, you should come. She will gonna tell you, her Instagram will be there in my, obviously in my channel. You're gonna follow her, and plus she'll absolutely gonna tell you where she's going to be the next gig. And please follow Rabina in Instagram. And my wishes are always with you. As a friend, I'm also the music lover. So for me, she's the one. I wanted to cover her, and I wanted to take her story to you people. If you have desire, if you have passion like her, so job is something which you need to secure, right?
Yeah.
So but this passion you need to follow.
Passion, obviously you need to follow everything. Whatever you want to do, please follow your heart and go talk with people. Try to understand what exactly you want to do. It will very easy if you want to follow your heart, you know. It's nothing else, like it's like rocket science we can't do. People will say no, we can't do it. Still people are telling like, I'm not good. I'm not telling I'm the big DJ and all. Still I am like, okay, let me continue. How I can go with
Yeah, so you mean to say you need to try. You need to try. Has to try. So हमारा यहाँ कट होता है अब आप बोल दें। क्या बोल रहे हैं? कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं। घंटा देखना है।
Thank you Meenakshi for having me here. And this is her channel. Okay, guys, please follow. This is Meenakshi.
The vlogger. She forgot she's my friend. She's my.
This is Meenakshi.